Systemair presents a new unique plugin, which will make the designing process of your projects easier and absolutely precise. It was created to be used directly in your designing software, where you can easily choose and set up a specific Topvex air handling unit. Systemair Konfigurator plugin allows you to simply select the right Topvex unit for your project based on its particular parameters and requirements. You can further adjust or update the unit according to your individual needs, or add a wide spectrum of accessories for heating, cooling, or adapting the noise level. Our new plugin is available for Revit and AutoCAD for designing a whole variety of projects, from offices and shopping malls to schools and apartments. Thanks to the Systemair Konfigurator plugin, Topvex unit will become the heart of your building, providing the perfect indoor air quality.